Hi there and welcome back to the Amoretti kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a salted caramel hot chocolate using our English toffee syrup, creme de caramel syrup, and our truffle spread. So if you are ready, let's get started. We're going to start off by heating up our milk with some of our truffle spread here. I have 2 tablespoons. We're just going to heat this up until the chocolate spread is nice and combined in our milk. So once we have our chocolate spread mixed in well with our milk, we're going to add in 1.5 pumps of our English toffee syrup to our mug here. Pour all this in with our syrup. After mixing in the milk and truffle spread mixture with our syrup, we're going to top it off with a little whipped cream. Another little drizzle of some of the truffle spread. I heated it up in the microwave for about 30 seconds or so. And also a little drizzle of our creme de caramel syrup. And of course, what's a salted caramel hot chocolate without some salt? So we are gonna sprinkle on some sea salt here. So just some coarse sea salt. And there you have it, a salted caramel hot chocolate. If you make this salted caramel hot chocolate at home, be sure to tag us on all of our social media channels at Amoretti. Also, stay up to date with all of our giveaways, news, new items, promos by subscribing to our channel below, as well as our newsletter. Bye, we'll see you next time.